most of the founders in the beauty niche have the exactly, hear me well, the exactly problem. If you hire personnel in your team, it's because you think and you pray that these people can take decisions that are too easy for you and they don't have to ask you. They don't have to ask you, but that is not the reality. Not at all. They come to you and ask you, should I use this color? Should I use this word? Stop, stop. And you know why that happened. That is taking money, thousands, millions of dollars, and most important, your time to get focused in the things that really get and need your attention. You need a system. You've been searching this for long. And makes me explode because most of the founders have the same exactly problem, the same one. And you don't even want to take the time to resolve this that take you none of time to resolve the rest of the things that are happening in your company. Imagine this. You go for the first time in a really nice restaurant in the city. The first thing that you see when you came in the restaurant is that the owner is in the kitchen, tell everybody what they have. Do this, take this there, don't do this, put this there. When you sit and you receive your food is delicious. It's warm. The quality of the service is amazing. And you think, I have to come back here because they have really nice food and they have really great service. Second time that you come back, you notice that the owner is not in the kitchen. You receive your food cold. You receive the worst service. You don't want to come back there. Even if you, the first time, have the best experience, you're not going to want to come back there. Everything looks good when you approve it, but everything breaks when you're not. That is what happened in your brand. That have a name in inversion, and is K person risk. And when the investor clearly can see this in your brand, everything goes down. A brand that has a clearly system that every single employee of your team can take it wrote 91 out of 100 in the 13 loud. They get 91 out of 100 in the 13 visual loud. The brand get a 40 out of 100, 60 out of 100. It's because nobody sit and start to write the exactly system that your company needs. If you don't get 80 out of 100 in your 13 visual loud, take back your money. Do it. We give you back. We're too sure that that is not going to happen. And you're going to leave from this meeting and you're going to leave from this company so happy because you're going to reply this exactly system that we're going to prepare for you in 6 weeks and you're going to use it. And you're going to feel so proud about that system because it's going to save you time. It's going to save you money. It's going to let you sleep. You're not going to wake up and the first thing that you're going to see is your Slack telling the people, should we put this color? Should we put this word? Stop of that. You have to get focused in the real thing, in the real deal. You are going to pay us just if the system, if your team can use this system and can reply it and they can do everything without you there. If you want to know the score in the 13 visual laws, join the team and make the challenge. Just a call, just 20 minutes, no more than that. In the end of the call, you're going to know if that fit you. Right now, apply to the challenge of the 6 weeks with the CBO. Scroll and you're going to find all the information that you need. And I hope to see you soon.